YouTube transformed a small quilt company into a powerhouse shipping 5,000 orders a day? It's unbelievable. I'm ELISE Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. And today we're looking at a YouTube quilting business case study so we can discover what's possible for your business on YouTube. With over 2 billion logged in monthly users, YouTube offers a massive audience for your business. And Missouri Star Quilt Company tapped into this potential by creating amazing video tutorials showcasing their products. They didn't just sell quilts, they shared stories and unique techniques that drew in viewers. Their content wasn't just informative, it was inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a tip to create visibility and generate leads for your business with YouTube. Imagine engaging with your audience like Missouri Star Quilt Company did, holding live Q&A sessions and collaborating with other influencers. Their community felt heard and valued, leading to more loyal customers and repeat sales. This approach turned their YouTube viewers into buyers. If you want to replicate their success, start by making compelling videos that tell your brand's story. Engage with your audience and watch your orders soar. Remember, success looks like thousands of orders a day and a thriving community. It's worth it. The struggle, the challenge, it's worth it to build your business to that level of success, to go through the small struggles that you start with when you're using YouTube for your business. If you'd like help making that journey shorter, you're going to want to join the YouTube cohort for step-by-step help on growing your business. Let's turn YouTube into your #1 source of leads and sales. I am so glad that we get to live our dreams together every single day, and I hope to see you next time.